Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hit like, hit subscribe, check me out. Today we're going to do a box opening of a bulletproof hitch I bought for my truck. I needed a 10-inch drop for my truck. It has a lift plus 37-inch tires, so I'm going to check it out right now. Let's do it. Alright, so here's the box. I went ahead and popped the lid, did the first opening. There's a little sticker that comes with it. Bulletproof hitches. The box is really heavy, by the way. Here we go. Here's what's included. You got the actual hitch itself, pins, the safety clips, and the hitch itself for the drop. Now we're going to go ahead and take it out of the box so you can see just how massive this thing is and heavy duty. This is a heavy duty hitch that is rated for 22,000 pounds for the actual 2 5/16 ball, and then 14,000 pounds for the 2-inch ball. Again, this is pretty heavy, as you can see here. But here, we're gonna get it on out and take a look at it. All right, here's the actual part that goes into your receiver, and with the drop. This thing is heavy duty. It's massive. This thing is like picking up a couple bricks. It goes in easy. As you can see, again, it mentions the ratings on top of the actual device itself, which says 12,000 pounds for a 2-inch and 22,000 pounds for the 2 5/16. Go ahead and put the ball on. All right, here we go. We got it on the truck now. Again, this thing is built like a tank. Really sturdy, thick metal. I think they did a great job. I don't get paid by them, but I think it's a great device. I also like it because it matched my truck, which is black, and I like the black powder coating on it. All right, check them out if you're interested.